Hello, my name is Erika Diana Rodriguez Martinez, and in this short video, we can explain the step 3, 5, and 8 for task 2 for English 2. So, in this case, the step 3, we can relate it with free time and fitness activities. So, the idea is related this vocabulary and we can using a simple sentence and using some kind of expressions for the things maybe that I like and the things that I dislike. So in this case, for the things that are good, I can say that I like playing basketball. I am good at swimming. I am into go running. I am interested in studying English. I am keen on eating Italian food. I am and I'm crazy about going shopping. Yeah, this is the free time fitness activities that I really like. And the other side, we can put I dislike cooking. I am not good at dancing. I am not much into doing aerobics. I can stand for playing volleyball, and I don't really are for doing gym. Yeah. So in this case, the important thing is that we can appropriate the vocabulary related with this topic. In the second activity, we can compare, yeah, the daily routines. In this case, we can put the routine of my brother. So the idea is to compare using different sentence and try to use adverbs of frequency. Yeah. In my case, my routine, yeah, I go to swimming every day. I go to swimming. I usually read a book in the night. I never ride a bike. Uh, I cook every day. Sometimes take a Transmilenio. I usually go to shop and I never go to dance. Yeah, and for my brother routine, we have some kind of things that are important for both. In this case, he never goes to dance, so it's the same as me. Yeah. For my brother go to play volleyball. Yeah, in this case, I never play volleyball. Maybe I'm doing other different sport than Spain. So this is the second point. And the last one is that with a picture we can describe this picture with some sentence. In my case, we can use the present continuous because we use for action that are maybe in temporary situations in this moment. Yeah. And the sentence for describing this picture is the children are drawing a picture. The woman is cooking. The dog is barking the bone. Yeah. The man is reading the dog. Yeah. So the dog. And one of the boys in her pencil, and the more are smiling with the fish. So these are the three steps that I explain in this video. So thank you so much.